Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export your timelines, or previously known as the roadmaps. First of all, you need to make sure that you have timeline enabled in your project. So when you actually click on the timeline itself, you're going to see in here that we have releases, and these releases are actually being shown with the epics themselves. Now, in order to actually export this, you need to click on these three dots right here. And when you click on that, you have the export option. So the first option is to go with the image, and the second one is to actually go with the CSV, which is going to be your second option. So when you're exporting your image in here, you have the options to choose from weeks. So this is how then your image is being shown. Your months, and also you have quarters. From here, you can define your start date and end date, which is something that is must to have. When I click on export, I'm actually given an export image, and when I want to view it, I can actually see it right here, and this is how the image looks like. Now when I go for the export for the CSV, I get the CSV in here. Now let me just pause it, and I'll get back to you to actually review this CSV. Right, this is how I'm actually having the CSV being shown for my timeline. We have the issue key, issue type, the parent, what is the summary, what is the status, who is the assignee, which sprint, what is the start date, what is the inferred start date, what is the due date, inferred due date, and everything else. So from here we can see the issue color, and that is also being defined as well. And we can actually see everything from here going on. And as you can see, the sprints are also being included as well. We can also see the inferred due date, and from here we can also see the start date. And that is how you actually export your timelines. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.